What's happening, guys? Out here in our Hardscape Direct showroom in Sterling Heights, 5540, showing all the things that are going on each and every day. Today is April 2nd and it's freezing, rain day. So we're gonna show you a featured product in Oaks, their newest, latest, greatest product, which is their Yorkville, an ambassador wall. Why we love it, why we've invested so much in it, at our inventory at our other building. You'll be able to see we have hundreds of pallets of this product. Not only does it show well, but it's just a beautiful product all the way around. Really easy for the guys, easy on their backs, so they'll be able to go home and stand up straight at night. It's just a really pretty product, made exceptionally well. So this is our ambassador wall in the Milano, and it really is just an absolutely beautiful wall. As you go down this way, we ripped out this old wall system that we had. It was Unilock. Great product, not gonna say anything. We don't carry that line, so there's no reason for us to show it. We definitely like the smooth. We already have Ortana from Oaks as well. So that's part of it too, is having two split face products that are essentially the same product really didn't make any sense. So again, what we're doing now is consolidating our product selection into manufacturers that we want to work with, that want to work with us, and ones that we can help you guys out as well out in the field, for your guys to be able to do a better project, for your guys to be able to stand up straight at the end of the day, not having their backs hurt. That's a key thing as well, is to be able to give people an opportunity to still do a quality product, but keeping in mind the safety and longevity of your workforce as well. So again, when you look at this wall, the caps are on it. It really is beautiful. Really clean lines. I love the color blend and just, it's stunning. Now this is a structural wall as well. It's two-sided, so another great part with this wall is you can build your patio and you can continue up with a seat wall without having to switch products, which a lot of times that's what you have to do. I personally don't like to have to do that, because then if the wall is a shade off or a few shades off, as many people know or have been doing this a long time, I like that you can use one wall system as your structural wall. It's a 6-inch block, 6 inches in depth. That's important for us as a company on what we put in. We stick with 6-inch block to 8-inch. I don't like to do the 4s or the 5s that are out there. That's more of a, it's really more of a gravity wall that isn't supposed to hold anything. It's good for pillars, but for us, I like to use a wall that's structurally sound and beautiful. So love this color. Again, this is our Milano, and then there is our marble gray, which is again beautiful. I love the height that they were able to put this at. We'll fill in those boxwoods to make them look a lot more lush. They've just been transplanted and we got to clean them up a little bit. But as you go over this way, here's our other color as well, which is awesome, the onyx. We were able to do, this whole area is going to be in the Everton, and this is a new product for Oaks as well, and there's actually 2 more colors coming. Brand new, they are actually being launched here in the next week. So if you still like that traditional style in the laying patterns, that's what you're seeing here. Just your standard style of paver. This one, of course, is my favorite. We have Cloudburst. This one is just beautiful. This is the one that I used at my house. So again, really just an amazing 3-piece system. Beautiful, vibrant, but also has some subtlety as well. Face mix is really smooth and tight, so a lot softer on your feet if you're walking around this barefoot, as opposed to, say for instance, when you're going to a through mix, you can see the aggregate, where when you're doing a face mix, the fines are on top, so it's a lot smoother up here. Again, 3-piece system, so you don't have a ton of waste. You're not grabbing and having to order a pallet of this, 3 pallets of this, 2 pallets of this, all to find out that I need to return these 2 pallets, this half a pallet, and then really nobody wants to take back that brick either. So it kind of puts everybody into a little bit of a quagmire. So again, getting a system in place where you're showing fantastic product that's packaged the right way. That's why we're aligned with Oaks, and that's why we're featuring them, and we've given them so much space in our showroom. Again, the Ambassador wall, another great feature with this wall is you fill the cores with 6A. The 6A is nice for drainage, but these wall systems are a lot lighter than your typical, like, let's call it Verazzo or even Versa or Tribute. Those are 80 pounds. These block are 55 pounds a piece. So it's much easier for our guys and your guys to be able to pick that block up and protect their backs. And that's what we're really trying to do here, is make it so that our guys are able to stand up. Their backs aren't bothering them, and we're trying to really get into different systems and different equipment to make it easier for us to do our applications. So again, if you want to check out Oaks products, we have it at Mound Road. It's featured here. This is, again, marble. This is the marble gray. This is the Milano. So really accented big pops, and then that champagne's going right there. So all of this has been redone, all of it. And these guys have been busting their butt to get this done so we can go out next week and start to work. So if you're interested in Oaks landscape products, and if you haven't heard of them or you don't know much about them, look them up. They are coming for the throne. They are here to provide you service that is impeccable, products that can't be beat, and price points that are fantastic as well. Great for clients, contractors alike, including, you know, suppliers like us. We love supplying this product just because it's so pretty, it's so easy to apply, and most people absolutely love it. Most people are picking this product. So Oaks Landscape Products, locally made in Wixom, privately held. Chris, Dave, great guys to deal with, and they're expanding into different markets with Sean and Shane as a rep. So whoever your rep is, that's a fantastic company to partner with. They're interested in growth. They're located here in Wixom, Michigan. Very quick to pick up and great to work with. I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for tuning in, and we're going to keep doing these videos, showing you what we're up to, showing you what we're doing. Eventually, you'll all be able to utilize this showroom as your own. Have a great day.